Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share something very exciting with you guys. One of everybody's favorite brands, Plum, is turning 6 right now and they're running some very exciting offers on their website. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorite products from their range and also a little bit about the offers that they are running right now, so you can check them out. There's going to be a link in the description box down below, and if you're interested in knowing my recommendations from Plum and all of the exciting offers they're running, keep watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So one of the things that I really love from Plum is their green tea skincare kit. It comes in a packaging like this, and you get all of these products inside which you can take out and use. There's the cleanser, there's a toner, there's a moisturizer for the day, for the night, and it also has a mask. So I'm going to show you all of the products one by one. First thing is the green tea pore cleansing face cleanser. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it is a gel-like face wash with a slight greenish tint, and it has these green beads in it. So this leaves a very refreshing feeling on the skin without drying your skin out and without any stripping the skin of its natural moisture. It just gently cleanses the skin and leaves a nice cool sensation on the skin. Next is the green tea alcohol-free toner. Now this is something really important, especially for somebody with very sensitive skin. Alcohol-free toner is one of the main things that you should be using if you have sensitive acne-prone skin. And this is by far one of the best alcohol-free toners that I've used. Very light, and it has this nice refreshing green tea fragrance which I really like. Again, the toner takes off any excess impurities that may be left behind on your skin after cleansing, and that's why I like to use it. Next is the day cream, which is also the green tea mattifying moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. It is slightly runny. If you massage it into your skin, it leaves your skin feeling matte, but at the same time moisturized. Like, it doesn't feel that dry, pulling kind of matte. It is a very moisturized matte, and which is something I really appreciate in a moisturizer, especially in the kind of climate that we have, at least here in Delhi. It is very hot and humid still, so I personally really enjoy using this moisturizer. Next is the night cream, or the green tea renewed clarity night gel. So this is, the night moisturizer is a gel, and this is what it looks like. It has this gel-like consistency, moisturizes the skin overnight and leaves it feeling smooth and supple in the morning and moisturized. So there's no sticky feeling that is left behind. Last but not the least, the green tea clear face mask. This is what it looks like. It is a creamy mask which you apply on your skin, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you wash off, and it soothes your skin. It leaves it feeling calm and taken care of at the same time. It really cleanses your skin very deeply, and it also controls the sebum level in your skin, so it leaves your skin feeling calm and refreshed and well taken care of. So this kit is basically a great option for somebody who wants to try out all of these products. You can take the travel edition and try out the smaller packagings of each of the products and see how it works for you, and if you like it, which I'm sure you will, you can always go ahead and buy the larger packaging or the regular sized packaging. This range is good for somebody who has acne prone skin, very oily skin, sensitive skin, because it helps regulate the sebum levels in your skin, and it also helps calm down your skin at the same time because of the presence of green tea in the range. Another very good product and a very famous product amongst a lot of people is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl. This is one of the blackest black kohls available in the Indian market right now, and the price is also great, so you must check it out. I'm going to share with you a swatch. This is what it looks like. I'm also wearing it on my eyes. Kohl and lipstick is all that I'm wearing right now on my face. I'm not wearing any other makeup, and you can see how nice my skin looks when I'm using good product. One of the best parts about the offers that are going on right now is that you can get this Kohl for free. Go check out the offer. I'm going to leave a link to their website down below. Another favorite product of mine is the chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask. This again is a mask which I use once or twice a week. This is for somebody with normal, dry or combination skin. It helps impart a nice glow to your skin. This is what the mask looks like, the glow getter mask. And it comes in a glass packaging like this. Apart from the fact that you're getting this Kohl for free, there are also some offers running on their website and some surprises that may come your way when you shop from their website right now. The offers are only for a limited period of time. If you have tried any of these products from Plum, do let me know in the comments down below. So that was all about my favorites from Plum, and what I think of some of the products that I've been using, what I think of their Kohl. I really like it and I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to check out some of my favorite videos over here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.